Hi, everyone. Let's get started again on chapter 16. We have gone over the basic concept, gravity fields, electric fields, magnetic fields, and just the basic idea. So let's look at sketching vector fields. We have, it's something we're going to do a little just to get a feel for it. All right, so let's write down f, capital F of x, y, z equal to, and this will just be x plus y and 3y minus x. This will just be in 2D. Oops, I did x, y, z. Let's fix that. So look, I originally wrote that in 3 dimensions. Let's do it in 2. So this is equal to, and then you can write it in this form, x plus y and 3y minus x. Or you can write it in the ij form, x plus yi plus 3y minus xj. And so you basically just pick points and plug them in. I mean, that's for the simple cases, that's what we can do. All right, so find, we'll just do a couple of them. F of 1, 0, F of 0, 1, and F of negative 2, 1, and plot. So use x, y, what's given, as the initial point. So up until then, like we've been saying, you can move the vectors and all that, which is true, but when you sketch these, you want the initial point to be what that says. So 1, 0, put it up there, and then figure out what the vector does. So f of 1, 0, you just plug it in and calculate. It's just 1, so you get the vector. So remember, the output are vectors. And then 3 times 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So that's just a vector up there. And then you just keep going. F of 0, 1 was 1, 3. And F of negative 2, 1 looks like I'm writing a little big here, apparently, is negative 1, 5. And then you could keep going and do a bunch if you wanted to, but it's good enough for now. So we get these vectors to draw, and again, this is just 2D, x, y. So the first vector is at 1, 0, and you go let's see. Oh, sorry. 1, 0 is down here. Okay, so 1, 0, and it's 1, negative 1, so over 1, down 1. So it'll be just here. So there's your first vector. Then you'll have 0, 1, which is the next point I just drew, and then it's 1, 3. So x over 1 up 1, 2, 3. And then there's your vector. And you would just keep going like that, right? Negative 2 up 1. And then you go negative 1 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's your vector. And you would just keep writing them like that. Okay, so that's the concept. All right, let us continue. Let's go ahead and go on to the next section. So that's the general idea of a vector field. Then in 16.1, we talk about line integrals and kind of build the concepts all the way up to 3D and what they look like.